Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have UMA daily update. We are going to see the next targets, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Link in the description box and in the comment section. Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. A manual system with over 90% win ratio. Personal guidance every day. Educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands. Market updates, random giveaways, spine scripts, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Let's go back to UMA against USDT. So right there from the last video, you see that we found support level at the 8 Tether USD around there on the 20-day EMA, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement after drawing the Fibonacci from this bottom right here up to this top on 1st March. So what is next for UMA? Can we make a higher high? It is possible, okay, it is possible. However, first, what we need to do is to close above this line right here, and we are soon going to see the next price targets. But first, let me tell you something about the risk metrics. What it is possible right now and what will happen for me, it is to form a very sharp-side divergence with a higher high pattern. Possibly, we might be getting a lower high with the RSI and a higher high with the price. Therefore, the price can get above the 13.3. However, we hold a pretty high risk already, and I want you to be extremely careful on that. Okay, so you can see the commodity channel index on the 150. All right, so therefore we have a very high risk, despite the fact that here we went all the way up to the 659. It isn't the case right here. It isn't the normal scenario. The normal scenario it is to go around 177, 200, and so on, and from there correct. Okay, so therefore, despite the fact that we made a very high right here, doesn't mean that we will make it again. So what we need to see right now for the MACD is a higher low, higher high pattern. Therefore, we need the oscillator MA moving average to move above the previous high right here and to go all the way upwards, forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, this will be good. However, I told you for UMA we hold a very high risk. We are going to see soon the next targets, but first let's go to UMA against Bitcoin chart. Okay, so UMA against Bitcoin chart is in the same story right here. We might be forming a lower high with a lower high RSI actually and the higher high in the price, but in overall we are having a very high risk. So what I'm doing here, and I will do it on UMA against USDT as well, is to draw a Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom right there. So I would say that in order to go higher, we need to close above the 0.302726. It is a very strong sub resistance level area. Sorry, you can see back then we had it as a resistance level, okay, around the 0.302726. And of course, this whole area right here is a very strong resistance level area. If we can manage to go further higher than this one right there, then what we can do is to go to the next target, which will be the 0.303270. Okay, can we go there? Yes, we can go to the 0.303270. We can go to the 0.302726, but we have to close above the 0.302726 for UMA against Bitcoin chart first, and most importantly right now the 0.302525. Let's go to a UMA against USDT. What does it mean? It means that let's go and draw the Fibonacci retracement on UMA against USDT as well. 12 Tether USD is the most important resistance level. We have to close above the 12 Tether USD right here in order to go to the next price targets, which can be the 14.64, 15.466, and 16 Tether USD. Can we go there? Yes, we can. However, first what we need to do is to let the body of the candlestick closing above this line right here on the 4-hour frame. It is important to be on the 4-hour frame and not in the 1-hour frame because things are changing there. Okay, so what we need to do is first to close above, and of course we have a very strong resistance line, the 10.4. Yes, we have break it above, but we haven't closed above yet. So this is a very huge resistance level line as well, 10.4 to 10.5 around here. If we cannot manage to close above, then we might be dropping down furthermore into below the 9 Tether USD. So you know the exact price targets in which you should be paying attention to. Let's have the price labels right here as well so you can see them. Closing above will get us into the next targets, but we have to be extremely careful, because if we do not do that, then we already have a high risk with UMA, we already have a high risk with the commodity channel index as well, and it is not something that we should be playing with. Okay, we saw a very huge pump up before. Today we are having a pump up as well, but we have to see how we will react on the 4-hour frame. Is it possible to get into the next price targets? Yes, it is. However, pay attention to the 12 Tether USD, and do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.